Damn, how real is this? I know them whole niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Goddamn, how real is this? I know them Harlem niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Stone cold love, rose gold slugs. I could afford it, I imported stone cold drugs. Stone cold rolling stone, I'm a stone nigga. Write it on my tombstone, I was stoned nigga. Don't remember me as a wannabe New Orleans nigga slash lean sippin' Tennessee nigga. No, influenced by Houston, hear it in my music. A trill nigga to the truest, show you how to do this. My old gold grills give her cold chills. Says she got a coat feel, cause I'm so trill. Two dope boys scale, but I sold pills. No deal, put her on her feet, toenails. Them vampires, them bloodsuckers, them thirsty killers. We bout it.